Hi guys, it's Fiona from Currys, and today we're going to look at what the Kenwood kMix has to offer. It helps you find the best setting for everything you make. It has a setting for making light and fluffy treats like cakes and soufflés, and it comes with everything you need to make a wide range of dishes. I'm going to head to the lab now and have a look at this product in a bit more detail. Depending on what you're making, you need to choose the right speed to get the best results. So maybe you want to leave something mixing slowly for a while, or you want to give something a quick whisk. When working with flour, it's bound to go everywhere, but mixers especially tend to send a cloud of flour flying when they start up. Thankfully, the kMix uses smart speed control to slowly build up to your chosen speed and keeps everything in the bowl. When you're making things like cakes or soufflé, you're looking for that all-important fluffy texture, especially on the inside. You achieve that by layering the ingredients rather than mixing them, and that's what the fold function does. It keeps things nice and smooth, but it traps the air between the layers, which is really important. And it does even more with a range of tools included like the K-beater, whisk and dough hook. It should be everything you need to make a wide range of recipes, from cookies to cakes, biscuits and more. If you'd like more info on this Kenwood kitchen machine, then visit us in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.